Introduction. Life in on its diversity and complexity is based on a few fundamental molecules called biomolecules. This includes carbohydrate, lipid, protein, and nucleic acid. They are not just chemical, they act as builder of cellular structure, carrier of genetic information, producer and manager of energy, regulator of structural integrity. Their interaction define the trend of organism and allow for growth and adaptation and evolution. Studying biomolecules is crucial for understanding health, disease, and environmental processes. The field has major implications for medicine, biotechnology, and sustainability.
The four major types of biomolecule: carbohydrate, the energy currency, made of C carbon, H hydrogen, and O oxygen in a 1:1 ratio. Simple carbohydrate monosaccharide, glucose, fructose, quick energy. Complex carbohydrate, polysaccharide, starch, cellulose, energy storage, and structural loss. In plant, starch, storage, energy, cellulose from cell wall structure.
Lipid insulator and energy reservoirs. Let's talk about the lipid. These are hydrophobic molecules, which means they don't mix the water. And they include fat, oil, phospholipid, and steroid. Fat and oil are made of glycerol and fatty acid, and they serve as a long-term energy storage for the body. Phospholipids are very important because they form the bilayer of cell membrane, keeping the inside of the cell separated from environment. Cholesterol is another type of lipid that help maintain the fluidity and stability of cell membrane. And in animal, lipid also work as insulation, helping to conserve body heat. Protein, the workhorses of cell. Proteins are made up of amino acids linked together in specific sequence, and their function depend on their three-dimensional shape. They have many roles in the body. Enzymes, for example, speed up biochemical reaction. Structural protein give cell and tissue their shape and strength. Transport protein move molecules such as hemoglobin carrying oxygen. Antibody are protein that help with immune defense. And receptors are protein that receive and transmit signal between cells. Nucleic acid, the genetic code. Nucleic acid include DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid, which is a double-strand molecule that stores the genetic blueprint. And RNA or ribonucleic acid, which is a single strand and help to protein synthesis. DNA contain the instruction to making protein. For an RNA translation to instruction into functional protein. These molecules are essential for heredity and for transferring information from one generation to the next.
Interaction and integration. These molecules do not act alone. Carbohydrates, broken down into glucose, used in cellular respiration to produce ATP. Lipid, store energy and provide structural components for membranes. Protein, perform most of the cell work, often following instructions from nucleic acid. Nucleic acid code for proteins, which in turn influence all other biomolecules. Example: ribosome contain both RNA and protein working together to make new proteins.
Cell culture and genetic engineering. Cell culture is used to grow cells in a controlled environment to study biomolecules. Genetic engineering allows scientists to produce recombinant proteins such as insulin, create genetically modified organisms. This technique help explore biomolecule function, regulation, and interaction. Application in medicine, biotechnology, agriculture, and environmental science.
Biomolecules are molecular architects of life. They govern energy flow, carbohydrate and lipid, genetic inheritance, nucleic acid and structure integrity, protein, lipid, carbohydrate, cellular activity, protein และ nucleic acid. Their diversity enable life to adapt and survive in changing environment. Understanding them lead to medical advance, biotechnology innovation, solution to environmental challenge. The study of biomolecules is ongoing with potential for transformative discovery. Thank you.